Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some database manipulation, DBMS, subject code, BCS403, lab programs, and I'm going to show you how to execute some quick commands. Let's get started.
When you create the employee table, you will start by making a new table named employee. This table will have these columns: what attributes, EMPNO, employee number, ENAME, employee name, job, employee job title, MUGR, manager's employee number, SAL, employee salary. To add the commission column. You will modify the existing employee table by adding a new column called commission. This column will store commission amounts. We'll add 5 rows of data to the employee table. Each row will represent a different employee, and you'll fill in the values for each of the columns: EMPNO, ENAME, job, MUGR, SAL, and commission for each employee. Now to update job column. You will change the data that is within the job column of one of the rows within the employee table. To rename a column, you'll use the alter command to change the name of one of the existing columns in the employee table. To delete an employee, you'll remove the row what record from the employee table where the EMPNO, employee number, is 105.
Screen, update employee number 102's job to senior developer. Then, display the complete employee roster. Screen, use the alter command to rename the MGR column in the employee table to manager ID, and ensure it stores numerical values. Remove the employee with the ID number 105. Then, display the updated employee list. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.